That's me.
You want me to hold that for you?
That me?
Yeah.
That's me?
Yeah.
Look at your smile.
It's pretty good. It's a little bit more down.
He forgot how it looked and then but he got it pretty close.
Hey, that's pretty. I guessed it was me. That's good. That's good. My hair's longer now. Oh, Jake, that's you. Oh, you did that?
Yeah.
That's so cute.
Sweetie.
That totally looks like Mom and Troy. And look at, we're all so skinny. I like that.
I love it.
That's awesome, dude.
Your picture has such a
Oh,
skinny
it's so
butt.
cute. Is that you?
Yep.
That's Esther?
I wanted to be a blonde. Yep.
No, that's Esther.
Nope.
Oh, that's Ellie and Ruth.
Uh-huh.
That's so cute. Oh, yeah, that's an easy giveaway for you, dude. You should be wearing those glasses, too. That'd be cool.
Yeah.
That's a cool picture, dude. That's so cute. Oh, you gotta love art,
You don't
folks.
sign it though.
How do you know?
Is it?
Maybe there's a hidden
Hi, Ruth.
message in there somewhere.
Hi.
I'm just told to drop your lips to make it happen.
Oh, shy girl.
It's so cute.
Oh, that's funny.
And the birthday girl making her own birthday salad.
You got a hula hoop in here?
You're not supposed to make your own salad on your birthday.
That's okay. I have so much extra I wanted to share.
Okay.
Love you.
Love you.